We open up our Canva. It will give you a page like this. So this is what you can see. This is how the page looks like. The landing page looks like. So the next thing is just go to this search bar here. The search bar here. The search bar. Click on type label. So let's get into the video right away. If you are using an Apple phone, sorry, if you're using an iPhone, or if you're using an iPhone, you can download Canva from Apple Store, or if you're using an Android phone, download Canva from Play Store. That's if you don't have it on your phone already. But if you have it on your phone, you've already registered, you've done everything, you just click on the app. This one that the cursor is hovering about, click on it. Yes. So you click on Canva. We open up our Canva. It will give you a page like this. So this is what you can see. This is how the page looks like. The landing page looks like. So the next thing is just go to this search bar here. The search bar here. The search bar. Click on type label. Click on search. It will give you this. Now I'm using a Canva free version, not a Canva Pro. So, and I want to create my template from the scratch. I don't want to select from any of these templates. I want to create it myself. So you click on create blank. When you click on create blank, now if you have a Canva Pro, it will be very, very nice, because in Canva Pro you can fix in your measurements, your width, your length, and all that. When I get a Canva Pro, I'll update you guys up on this video. But for now, I'm using a Canva free, and this is what I use for my product labeling. So yeah, this is a blank page now. So you choose your color. Preferably, I would say let me go with purple. Let me go with purple. Good. Then what next you do is you click on this plus sign. This plus sign here. You click on it. Go to elements. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm just teaching you how to design generally. So I'll be doing more of designing. You just watch it. I might not talk much. Just be creative about your design. Anything you want to design. So this rectangle, let me change the color to, let's say, white. I don't like working with too much color on my stuff, on my designs, but that's okay. So still click on this plus sign, elements. Let me say circle. I'm just being creative here. Generally, I'm just being creative here. I don't know. I'm just doing something I feel I should do. I don't know. I don't have an idea of what I'm doing, but I'm just doing something. So let's say my product is maybe peanut burger. So you click on this plus sign, click this. Okay, let me explain again. Click on this plus sign, because we want to add text. The ones we'll be clicking is elements, but we want to add text. Now you click on text, add the heading. My heading should be peanut. Let's it be in capital letter. Peanuts burger. Peanut burger. Make it small. I want to change the color of this letter. So on this place, this bar down, you scroll, you see color that has letter A. Click on it. Let me change it to white. So let me change it to purple, because I want to put it here. Okay, let me edit this name to something more, let's see. So you can say D peanut butter. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing something. So let's put a motto. Made with love, right? So I can make this. It's made with love. Not bad, right? Not bad. So the next thing is I can say ingredients. Let's try and see whether if we bring this down here, it's be nice. So I can say so if you want to double, you want to just duplicate this particular text like this, so just click on this plus sign here. This plus sign here. You click on it. You bring it down. You can change the color to white so you see what you're typing. So you come down, you click on edit. You say ingredients. Peanuts. What other ingredients is included in peanut butter? Oil, pepper, I guess. So these are our ingredients. Just change the position and boom. I think our design, our label, our product label is coming to shape. So let me see, duplicate it. Let me duplicate the text here again and move it to this side. Here let's put expiry date. O2 10/23. You can highlight like this, double click on it, make it slant, make it italic, so it will give you this expiring date vibe. You can change your font size by clicking font size. You can make it smaller. Perfect. Something just simple and beautiful. So you can add any other elements. Just go to this plus and like I taught you, go back to elements. Let's say barcode scan. So don't forget that you don't pick any of this pro stuff here. If you pick it, it will not work for you because you are not on pro version. If you're on free version like me, but if you're on pro version, no problem. But if you're on free version like me, you can't pick it. So let's pick this. So you can add it here. Just something to make your product look, And boom, there is it. Ingredients, peanut butter. So you could put like an address or something. You could put like an address. You could put like an address, okay. But it's okay. Just whatever information you like to include in your product label, that's what you are going to put there. So here, let's look for an element that signifies that is a peanut burger. So you click on the plus sign, element, and type peanut burger. So don't mind the dog barking on the background. I'm so sorry for that. So you just, let's use this peanut butter. So you shape these elements to what you want it to be. Shape it to how you want it to be. And boom, our product label is ready. Very, very simple. Just design whatever you can design. Be creative about it. So if you want to now, print it out for your customers or so, just click here. You can click this arrow that is pointing down. Click on it. To bring out, you're preparing your designs. So to tell you, save image. To tell you want to copy it, PDF to Word, save image, assign to contact. You send it to the contact of the person you want to send it to for the person to proofread it. print. You can print it out and straight up you start using it, save to files and all that. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this, simple video, and tell me if you try it out and what are your challenges. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.